Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Steam, so open it and sign in now. Once Steam is running, plug in or pair your Xbox controller and verify Windows recognizes it. Next, go to Steam Settings, Controller General Controller Settings. Make sure Xbox configuration support is visible. If you want a blanket disable, toggle off Xbox support here. If you prefer per game control, leave global settings and prepare to change the individual game options in the next step. Now focus on the specific title you want to run without Steam's controller handling. Right-click that game in your library, select Properties, then Controller, and choose Disable Steam Input. You can also do this in Big Picture mode under Manage Game Controller Options. Select Disable there. This stops Steam from remapping or injecting controller behavior, letting Windows or the game handle the Xbox pad directly. Once done, close and relaunch the game to ensure the new controller mode is active. Finish by confirming the controller now behaves as expected. Check Windows Game Controllers panel or the in-game input menu to see default Xbox mapping. If Steam still intercepts input, open Settings Controller and remove any added override profiles, or uninstall Steam's controller driver and reboot. Make sure to try a different USB port or another controller to eliminate hardware faults. If problems continue, re-enable Steam input temporarily to reset binding.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.